Hi, and welcome to this video on how to remove a photo background in Canva. First, log in to your Canva account and go to your workspace. Select the photo you want to remove the background from. I've chosen a photo of a runner. After resizing the photo to fit your workspace, click on Edit Image at the top of the screen. This will bring up a variety of image editing options on the left side. Look for the option labeled BG Remover, which stands for Background Remover, and click on it. As soon as you do, the background will be instantly removed, leaving the photo with a clean white background. To enhance the photo, I'll replace the background with an image of a beach, making it appear as if the runner is on the beach. After adjusting the size and position of the photo, you can see how the image has been transformed, giving it a whole new look. That's the beauty of removing backgrounds. You can change the setting and create an entirely different context for your photo. And there you have it. That's how you remove a photo background in Canva. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel.